put toothpaste on Coca-Cola and you'll thank me. That's amazing. Let's insert a little toothpaste into a 200 milliliter bottle of Coca-Cola. Then close the bottle and shake so that the toothpaste dissolves in Coca-Cola. After that, we will transfer the mixture to a bowl. Be careful when opening the bottle. After shaking it, open gradually for the gas to come out slowly. Now we'll need detergent. And we will add 3 tablespoons in the mixture. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Yasmin Aur from Kenya. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Remembering that it is good to always mix. As soon as you add a new ingredient, then we'll need baking soda. And let's add a tablespoon to the mixture. Only this amount is necessary for a thorough cleaning in your kitchen. This product acts in a few moments, removing any excess oil easily. Finally, let's add a cup of water. Tell me later what you think of this tip. I hope it has the same result that I had in my house. I'm sure you will fully enjoy using this blend at a very low cost. And we'll separate for later. Now we'll need a container to store the mixture. I will use a spray bottle to better use the mixture. We'll uncover the container, and then we'll transfer the mixture into it. Be careful not to drop any of the mixture out. Sodium bicarbonate, acting together with detergent and Coca-Cola, can directly remove fats with ease. After that, just cover again to use the mixture. This mixture is impressive. Only on contact with fat can easily remove, and it is only necessary to rub for the complete removal of stains. There will be no more greasy pots in your house. After putting this tip into practice, for sure you will thank me. After rubbing, we already noticed the difference. When we put our pan in water current, I'm sure you'll thank me after this video. Be sure to do it at home and comment if you know any tips so I can do and teach others. The baking soda is the main item for this tip. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you enjoyed it. And tell me the result you had in your home. See you in the next video. Bye.